Welcome to Harvesting Power Tech. Here, we'll witness the raw power and ingenuity in every move of these giant machines. Each film is a masterclass in the forestry industry, where rugged terrain meets the perfect combination of man and machine. Follow along and experience. Let's watch a skilled worker expertly cut down a pine tree from a cliff top. Each cut is a combination of precision and respect, forestry at its finest. Talk about a powerful combination, the Nisela 555C combined with the Volvo 145. And Flex 14 chassis is unstoppable in the woods. This setup strikes the perfect balance between stability and maneuverability, easily handling even the roughest terrain. With the Nisela 555C's precise cutting capabilities and the Volvo 145's solid foundation, this monster handles logging and processing like a pro. Spare tire stump pulling. Who knew your spare could do more than just sit there? The roar of the Detroit engine echoes through the forest as the mountain logger 150 rips through the turns. Like nothing happened, speed, torque, this beast dominates the landscape. Every rev of the 6V53 makes you feel like you're behind the wheel of a logging legend. If you want raw power, this is it.
I saw little Chris get killed.
Sounds great, felling an 8-foot pine tree with the Husqvarna 395 XP Pure Power is a rewarding experience. This chainsaw cuts through trees like butter. With its big motor and bar, it's built to tackle big jobs like this. Every cut is smooth, precise, and easy, making the job feel like a walk in the woods, so satisfying. Hold onto your hats, folks, the Ponce Elk is here. And it's not just a machine, it's a logging legend. Picture this, massive logs, tough terrain, and the elk moves through it all like a pro. This beast stacks timber with unbelievable precision, power, and efficiency. It's not just hauling. This thing dominates the forest like no other. The AGR Plus 410 wood processor is a marvel of efficiency and durability, expertly designed to handle various wood types and sizes. Its user-friendly wood chipper interface and robust construction ensure it stands up to the rigorous demands of forestry, making wood processing simpler and safer than ever before. Drop one in the comments if our videos amaze you. Your support fuels our creative fire. Truly satisfying, the end result after taking the C3 2863 tractor into the woods, this powerful machine moves through dense forests like it's a Sunday drive, mud, tree trunks, and rough terrain. No problem, leaving behind a path full of conquered obstacles and large logs. The woods don't stand a chance. Cutting the roots of a giant old oak with the Steel 090 AV. It's like taking on nature head-to-head. The oak may stand tall, but the Steel 090 AV roars to life like a superhero, slicing through every obstacle in its path. With its massive engine and raw power, this beast turns the toughest job into a walk in the park. And when that tree finally falls, victory is sweet. The Steel 090 AV makes you feel like you've just conquered the forest. Oh my gosh, this Stump doesn't stand a chance in this matchup. The DSG-7 is like a beast. Unleashed from the forest, ferocious and powerful, tearing into the stump relentlessly. With impressive force, I'm sure you guys are just as impressed as I am watching this. Boom, Ural Forest Transporter, a real beast. This all-terrain vehicle stops for nothing. Forests, swamps, mudded handles it all like a pro. And you can't help but be amazed at how this monster tackles every challenge. Ural is not just a vehicle, but pure power on wheels. Tree stump removal is no joke. Those stubborn roots can be tougher than the tree itself. Without the right equipment, it can be a tough job. But the Caterpillar 27, it makes quick work of even the toughest stumps. Perfect for efficient site preparation and clearing at the highest level. Oh, check this out. This is a prime example of why specialized equipment is a must in forestry. That hill was way too steep for the truck to tackle solo. Teamwork makes the dream work. The excavator and skidder teamed up like pros to get the truck over the slope safely and efficiently. So awesome. Smooth, efficient, and built for anything. The Stihl MS400 chainsaw is a total game changer. With its lightweight design and a powerful 40cc engine, this saw delivers the perfect balance of power and precision. Whether you're slicing through firewood or taking on bigger tasks, it cuts through wood like butter effortlessly. It's your ultimate tool for every job. Brush Bandit 1990 XP Chipper. This thing is a monster with its powerful engine and massive 12-inch capacity. It devours branches and debris like it's snack time, whether it's a backyard clean up or a massive job site. This beast shreds it all into perfect chips in no time, fast, efficient. And Tough the 1990 XP is the ultimate chipping machine. And that's a wrap for today's adventure. If these heavy machines got your adrenaline pumping, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss the action. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. The jungle is waiting and the next adventure is just around the corner. See you in the next video. Let's keep this ride rolling.